Hi friends, welcome to Vans Vlogs. We are having snowstorm since yesterday night. We have around 15-inch snow in our balcony.
Yesterday we had a winter storm, and look how much snow there is in the balcony. That's insane.
Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Okay, let me open the door. Oh my god, it's stuck. Okay, why don't you guys jump without making the snow come inside? Don't push it inside, please. Go. Go. Good, good, good. Take Tushant with you. Yeah, go. Charit is going to help you.
No,
It's okay. Just lift him, Charit, now. Just lift that fellow.
I can't go. I can't lift it.
Okay, I'll bring him closer. Charit, push it. Go closer, Charit. Now you can lift him. Oh! Is it fun? It's okay, Tushant. It's okay. You're safe.
Wait for me, okay? Wait, let's put it up.
You can walk the sheets, okay? It's okay.
You want me to lift you?
You can lie down. You can do whatever you want. It's okay, Tushant. Charit, no, okay, make it. It's okay.
It's okay. Wait, food? Looks like it's sugar.
It's like sugar. Get in where? You want to come inside? You don't want to play in the snow? Make a snowman with Charit.
No, you're not moving.
Charit is going to move, right? Yes, baby.
Get out!
You want to come inside? Are you sure?
Get out!
Look, he's clearing the snow for you.
Get away, snow. It's windy? Mommy, I want to see you want to throw snow at me? No.
Throw on his legs, Charit, now, okay? Hey, no. Throw on his legs, please. Charit, make sure you don't hurt him, okay? Tushant, why don't you make a snowman? Hey, not this side, that side. Hey, not this side, it will come inside. Hey, Charit, the other side. Or I'm going to close the door. Yeah, that's good job. Tushant can do it. Awesome.
Lock it. Hit it. Today, like today.
It's okay, just wait for a few minutes. You go to the minutes.
Got it.
Okay.
I'm gonna do one more bucket of it once I throw it at you.
Hey, no, not at me. Hey, Charit, no, watch out, you will throw it out of the balcony.
Okay, I'm gonna throw it right there. Does she go to the other side? That's my tummy here.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Don't you want to come inside? Don't you want to come inside, Charit? Okay, Charit, I'm closing the door. You want to go, Tushi?
The snow is very fresh that I'm not able to make the snowman.
It's okay. We'll make another day, okay?
Okay.
This is a mess winter storm has created in Toronto. You can see that everyone are clearing their driveway. We cleared our driveway yesterday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.